Alright, welcome back guys. I'm gonna start off the video with obviously adding the text. The word that I'm going to write is sketch, S-K-E-T-C-H. So I'm gonna blur it up, make it bigger, kind of center align it, and the font that I'm going to give it this time around is this one, Nougat Extra Black. So the first thing that I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to give it a nice rich color. At first I thought the color that I want to give it, so I want to give it a nice rich color, but before I do that I'm going to click here on the appearance panel, and if it's not visible to you, you can go up here in the windows, come down here and click on appearance panel. Now let's first of all set the color to none, select and add this first fill. The color is black, so I'm going to use the eyedropper or the ink tool, and at first I thought I would give it this nice purple color. It has this royal rich texture to it, feel to it, but then I kind of changed my mind and I turned it to this red. As you may notice that the colors that I've chosen up here are a little bit of muted tone, soft pastel colors, so these are the colors that I've chosen. And on the right hand side I have added another fill. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it this light pink color. Once that is done, I'm gonna go up here into the distort and transform and choose the transform and give it 5 pixel values to each of these. Once that is done, I'm gonna add another color which has got added here up on the top. I'm gonna push it down below here, select this fill here, and then again choose the eyedropper or the ink tool and give it this dark purple color already here. After that, I'll go in the FX here and into distort and transform and choose transform. As you can see, I've given it the same value of 5 pixel on horizontal and the vertical move. The reason is I want to match it exactly with the cream color or the pink color that I've chosen. I'll press OK. I'll then add another FX and go into path and set offset path. The offset already has a default value of 10. I'll turn the joints into round and try different values, and I'm gonna press OK here on 23 pixels. Once that is done, I'll go back into the transform of the purple color and slightly change its value to 4 pixels on the horizontal. I just wanted to center align it a little bit in the way it looks. Okay, so I'll close all these fills. So we have added these 3 colors. I'll add a fourth one. It's added right up top. I'll push it below. I'll choose the eyedropper tool once again and select this fill that is on top and give it a light purple color. The one below has the dark purple color. Now let's work with this. Let's add a transform to it. So I'm gonna give 2 pixel values on the vertical move and add somewhere around 30 to 50 copies so that I can see how it looks, and then later on I will add the offset path to match with it. So I'll press OK here. And now I want to match the offset path with the light purple color up here. So look at the value. It's 23 pixels. Let's go back here on the dark purple color below here and go into the FX path, offset path, turn the value to 23, turn the joints to round and press OK. Now, as you can see, it's almost a match. It's just that the transform applied to the dark purple is a little different. As you can see, there is a highlight, a slight dark highlight of purple color on the top. I'll work on that as well. So as you can see, I'm trying to put different values and see what looks nice. I've reduced the vertical value to give it a slanted look. As you can see, it looks much nicer now. And now I'm going to slightly change the transform of the light purple color. As you can see, I'm reducing its values and making it to 0 so that the layer below of the dark purple color is not visible, and it gives a nice 3D feel. So far so good. Now I want to work with the red color right up top here. I want to give it an inner glow. For that, I'll go into FX, into stylize and press inner glow here. I'm gonna test around the blur values and the opacity and the modes. I'll keep on trying until I kind of get what I really want to see. I want to have this slightly inner kind of a glow to it. So you may see me trying different things on the screen here. And this is where I've settled it finally. Once that is done, I'll select everything, go here in the FX, into the warp and give it a slight arc. And in here you can see you can change the bend value. How much of a bend do you want to give it? You can try and change the distortion on the horizontal and the vertical, as you may see I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to change the bend value to make it look nice. I don't want it to be too much. I think somewhere around 15% it's gonna look fine to me. Let's press OK. Now time to add a background. Let's add a rectangle of 1920 by 1080 pixels and press OK. And first I thought I wanted to add this dark brown background with a sort of a gradient, as you may see. But as always, if you have seen my previous videos, I start off with a lot of different gradient selections and values until I really get to the point where I really begin to like what I want to have. And in this case, I'm gonna try with different things, but in the end, I would choose this nice greenish color to give it a muted palette color tone. And with that, I think our work is complete. I hope you enjoyed a simple tutorial on how to make this arced 3D text. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.